Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit your address in Ikea. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look in the bottom of your screen and press on your account there. After that is done, you can just look in the top of your right corner and press on the settings there. Now you can just press on addresses, and here you can just simply add an address. You can just add the delivery address, for example. You can enter your first name, last name, and you can just complete this whole address here, basically the zip code, city, and everything, and you can just press on save, and you will be able to add the delivery address like that. And you can also add a billing address if you want to, so you can just simply in this case edit the billing address, because I have already added that. So if you have an address, either a delivery address or a billing address, you will be able to edit it instead of creating a new. So it all depends which one you need to add. So if I press on my billing address, you can see that I can only edit something here, and press on save after that to change it. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening, and see you next time. Bye bye.